Installation of LTP. Let's first download LTP. LTP is present on GitHub. So let's clone the LTP source code. Having a folder repos here. I'm cloning this particular LTP now. Repository. So LTP is a very large project. It uses C language and shell script. So if you know both of them, it's very easy to understand LTP source code. So it has nearly 4,000 C files and 600 shell scripts. So I'm going to check how many C files are present in the source code. So it's downloading the source code now. So cd LTP, checking it. So nearly 4,000 plus C files are present in this source code. What about scripts? So if you know C and SH, which is shell scripts, nearly 600 above shell scripts are present in the source code. Now I want to use this LTP. How can I use it? There is an install file present in this source code. So if you see, there is an install file. So this install file will tell you what all packages which are needed for LTP to work. So these are the various packages which are needed for LTP to work on Ubuntu machine. So let's copy this and run it. It needs sudo permissions, sudo. I have already installed these particular packages, so that's not, it is already present for me. Now, once all the packages and prerequisites are present, you need to run this particular commands. First, you need to run autotools, AC local, AC, all those. You say make autotools, it will do it for you. So it will run AC local, it will autoconf and all, automake and all. So then it will generate you a .configure file. Now you can just say .configure and it will check all the prerequisites are present or not, like all the files, header files and compilers are present or not. Then you can use the make and make install. So by default, make LTP will be installed in /opt LTP directory. But if you want a different directory, when you need to use, when you are doing .configure, you need to pass the prefix as that particular directory, and LTP will be installed in the directory. The default installation of LTP will be in /opt. So it's okay. It says okay. Now we can run make. Make does not need any sudo permissions. You can pass number of processes with -j option. It will create so many jobs which you can verify in ps command. It will take time now to compile this. Make is completed. So let's do make install. As it is going to install in opt, it needs sudo permissions. Just a sudo make install. Yeah, it's successfully compiled, installed in opt. If you go to opt now, you'll be finding LTP folder there. You have LTP folder. So LTP is successfully installed on my machine. Now let's look into how we can use LTP to test the kernel.